Hello guys, today I'm going to show you very important answer for a question because I also had the same problem. The problem is I wanted to delete my Python from my computer, but when I'm deleting from here, when I'm it is not really deleting 100%. As an example, I wanted to delete this version of Python. This is 3.7. So it is an old version. I will just show you my Python version is Python 3 hyphen version capital V. Then it says my version is 3.7.9. But I don't know why it is saying 3.7.9 because I have installed most latest updated version also here. It is 3.12. Then I have more old version also. It is 3.6. However, it is saying my version is 3.7.9. Then I wanted to delete this version. I just delete this version. I will show you what my question was. My password is here. Then I delete. It is not here anymore. Then after that, I get a new terminal. I just close this one. I will search again what is my Python version. Python 3 hyphen version. I'm using Mac. You can see it is my version it is still 3.7.9, but you just see here I have no that package. I have already deleted that package. It is in my bin, right? I have already deleted. I will delete from here also. Then it is completely deleted, but the thing is it is showing I got a new terminal. Then I'm checking again. It is the version is the same version 3.7. That was my problem. So finally I could find my answer for the question. So what should I do is I should delete some more files here in the library. That's what I should do. How can I do it? So you should find where are that libraries using which Python, WHICH Python 3. Then it will give the what's that package libraries folder. Then after that I should remove it from here. How to remove it? Sudo space rm, then again space and hyphen rf, then space, then you can paste that library that path, then enter. Then you have to enter your password. It is your computer login password. Then it is complete. Now I will search again what is my Python version. Python 3 hyphen version. It will say yes, it is. Now it has deleted completely 3.7 some that my old other version. Now it is saying my version is 3.12. It is most latest version. uh, Not 100% latest, but it is recommended version. That's not really big deal. However, I just show you how to delete completely the Python version. Maybe you may have another question why I'm using that old Python version. I have latest version also, but honestly I don't like to use this version. When I was the beginner, I always try to use most latest version of Python. Trust me, I did it. But the thing was, when I'm using most latest version, I have found so many bugs. When I'm installing third-party modules and third-party applications, I got so many bugs. And really, it was really terrible. I have made another video also before, not for third-party application. When I was using Turtle module, Turtle is it is coming with Python, but I have got many bugs when I'm using most latest version. But now my technique is, this is my technique I have found myself. If you have another good idea, you can propose me. But my way is, I'm using always that most latest end of life version. It is now, as example, my version is 3.7. I like really 3.7. It is really good version. There's because it is, they have fixed all the bugs and security bugs and other bugs, and all the bugs they have mostly settled. Then this is the recommended version what I am recommending. So if you use this 3.8 and then yellow versions, there are some issues. And even the latest versus is this one 3.13, but I never recommend this version. But if you are most safe, if you can use 3.7, it is my recommendation. I'm not a really perfect person for this, but as an with my experience I'm talking about this. So that's what, if we want to download 3.7, the most easiest way is go to Python, python.org. Then you can see there are many ways to download that. If you click here, it will give you the most latest version, but they are what they are recommending. But my ways, I go down. Your operating system can be Windows, my operation system is Mac. Then I will find from here, but you can see it's really terrible because there are lots of download folders. So download the file. So the thing is, I will just search. I'm always searching with command and F key from the keyboard. It is 3.7. I want my version I'm looking for. If you are Windows, I think should be a very similar key, like control and F or something. So sorry, I don't know about the key, but you can just search. Then I'm searching my version, because my what I want to download. So here are no files. So I just, you can see some are not without files. It means download files. So this is okay for me. I can download this one, 3.7.8. It has updated 2020 June 27. Anything, I just download this version. It is so it is downloading now. This in my, yes, this data, and then I have to go normal way. It is going to continue, then agree the condition, terms and condition. Then I have to go give my password to install. So install software. Okay, it is processing. I'm almost there now. Now you can see, yes, this almost completing. Now I have my folders here. Yeah, it's finished. Now I will search again. I will get another terminal, new terminal, and I wanted to right, I want to check what is my new version of Python. I just got a new terminal. I will type again Python 3 hyphen version. It says 3.7.8. However, I think you just got an idea. I don't know why it is showing this version always for me. If you know something about, I would like to get an answer from you. But because I have most latest version also, but always it shows my Python version is 3.7.8. But it's not bad, because I would like to use that version. And another thing is, if I use that even Python without 3, I'm not getting anything, any suggestions, any versions detail. That's all. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any suggestions or any idea about this, you can comment me and you can type me. See you with again another video.